Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Squid Game Guard in the Sprunki style. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with a circle. And now inside, let's draw an oval shape. Now let's hop in, and across the center, let's draw two curves across. And then two lines down underneath. Now top up, and in the top section, let's draw a square. And then another square inside this one. And that's it for the head. Now top down, and let's draw the body. Let's start by drawing two angled lines underneath. And then a line across at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside, and let's draw two lines down the center. Now in the middle here, let's draw a curve across and continue it on the other side. And the same thing underneath. And now on both sides, let's draw two vertical lines. Now inside on the top right, let's draw a square. And then a line across the center. Next, we're going to hop down, and on the bottom corners, let's draw a rectangle shape. And a line across inside. And that's it for the Sprunki Squid Game Guard. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!